Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install custom color schemes for the Kakoune text editor. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to do is open a new window here, and I want to search for Kakoune color scheme. Okay, and if I do that, I come up with this GitHub page. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but Delapoit Kakoune colors. I'm going to click on that. We have some colors we could install here, like Dracula and so on. Now, if I go into Kakoune and do a simple text file here, you see that if I do my color schemes, I've got these color schemes here. I don't have Dracula. So let's try and install that. Okay, so let me just quit out of here. And what I need to do is I need to go to this Dracula.cac, go to the raw version, and what I'm going to do is click Save As, and I'm going to go to my Linux files and go to my hidden files, so Show Hidden Files here, and I want to go to the .config folder. I want to go into a CAC folder. If you haven't made one of these folders, make a folder, CAC. Go into here, and inside of here, I'm going to create a new folder called Colors. Okay, I'm then going to save this file. It's going to try and put a .txt extension, but I'm going to go into Colors here and save the file as Dracula.cac. I'm going to hit Enter, and now if I go back into Kakoune here and I go to color scheme, I see I now have this option for Dracula, so I can do Dracula here, and now I've got the Dracula color scheme on my Kakoune text editor. So that's all you basically do. If I want to go back here, now this page here, it has these three color schemes, but if you go down here, you see other themes here. So you have Nord, Dark Okai. This one, when I click on it, it doesn't seem like the page is still up, but let's try Torchwood. So Bad Wolf. Okay, this one's been archived, but we can probably still use it. If we go to the colors, we've got Torchwood.cac. Okay, I'm going to go to the raw version here, and I click Save As, and I want to save it in that colors directory. And let's see, this is called Torchwood. So torchwood.cac. Okay. And now if let's quit out of here. Let's go back into do my color scheme again. And now I've got Torchwood. Okay, so I can do Torchwood, and now I've got this Torchwood color scheme. So that's basically all there is to it to install custom color schemes for the Kakoune text editor. I have another video on how you can keep these themes persisting by putting something in your CAC RC. Check that out if you want to see that one. And if this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.